Right guys, I'm talking about the plastering tools essentials, the essential things we need for plastering. This is a must for everybody that's sort of plastering. I would advise you, strongly advise you in getting yourself or buying and organising your own nail box. I'm going to show you what I mean. If you come in and have a look at this, this is typically what a good nail box looks like. We sort of have a variation of nails. This is like a 20mm nail, clamp nail, good for beads. This is a smaller one when you can't really get, when you're going into like sort of concrete and stuff. This is like a 15mm clamp nail. Other nails we use thin nails. These are very good for bead work. This is sort of like a clamp nail, very thin heads. These are good for angle beads when you're working with board work and you want to conceal the head of the plaster and make sure that this is behind the bead. These are very good nails. We have other nails. These nails here, another clamp nail. This is like a 60mm or a 50mm clamp nail. Very good for going to stud work, fixing your beads to stud work. We don't really use nails nowadays to support or fix plasterboard. It's good for like a quick fix if the builder or the client has missed a nail and you haven't got any screws, then by all means go ahead and use your clamp nails. But these nails are very good. Sometimes you need nails and screws for fixing battens for when you're doing ceilings and stuff. Maybe there's not a batten against the wall and you can't have a fixing for the ceiling, so then you would need a series of nails or long screws, and sometimes a long nail is just as good as screws and wall fixings. You know, another important nail that we use are, and these are very, very important, are oboes or masonry nails. Not to be confused with round-headed nails or like sort of like the split pin ones. These are sort of masonry. They can take a good clout, and they're good for fixing sort of timber to masonry. I'm just going to go and get a hammer and I'll give you a quick demonstration on what I mean. Right, so in this example, I'm basically going to be fixing a side profile to sort of like a timber to form the side of a wall you like. So we call it a profile or a timber. So I'm going to fix a timber to this area here. And in this case here, I would definitely use a clamp nail. This piece of wood I cut it to size already. I wish I did show you the cut, but it's not really necessary. Yeah, so in a case like this, I'm not going to do it now. I'm going to need a spirit level to plumb it up to the wall and so forth. But we basically nail on the timber to size. We then would level it to the wall, to this point, and across, and make sure it's in line with the wall. We're not really concentrating on the level this way because we're going to turn the timber to form this side later. This is just to show you what I mean. These nails, you want to be going into the brickwork and there, you're fixed. It's got a little bit of movement, but I don't want to tap it in too far because once we've got it pinned up, then we can tap it in later and it's secure. That's pretty much what I wanted to go through today. It's pretty much more about the nails we're using and the fixings that we use in plastering. So as I say, once again, stay tuned to my videos and my posts, my subscriptions. Just follow me. I'm new to this, and as I say, I'll bring you more content in the future. Thank you very much. Power Plastering.